Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I will quickly show you how you can install your YouTube and your Gmail as application on your desktop. So first go to your navigator, Google Chrome navigator, and then go to your Gmail, and then click on those three dots, and now scroll down directly to the cast, save and share, and here you will find install page as app. As you can see, click on that and name it Gmail and click on install. That's great. Then do the same thing by going to YouTube, same thing, click on those three dots, navigate through cast, save and share, and then click on install page as app, and at the same time click on install. Now you can see those are installed as apps on your desktop, as you can see, and you can directly click on YouTube. So as you can see, here is my YouTube and here is my Gmail. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like and a comment below